Welcome to this introductory video on Python programming. Python is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-learn programming language that is widely used in various fields such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Whether you are new to programming or looking to add Python to your skill set, this video is for you. Before we dive into coding, let's set up our environment. First, you need to install Python. Visit the official Python website, python.org, and download the latest version. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once installed, you'll need an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Popular options include PyCharm, VS Code, and even the simple idle that comes with Python. Now, let's talk about variables. In Python, variables are used to store data. Think of a variable as a container that holds information. You can create a variable by simply assigning a value to a name using the equals sign. Here's an example. X equals 5. Name equals Alice. Python supports various types of variables. The most common ones are integers, whole numbers without a decimal point. Example x equals 5. Floats, numbers with a decimal point. Example y equals 3.14. Strings, a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. Example, name equals Alice. Booleans, represents true or false values. Example, is_student equals true. Let's look at these in action. Age equals 25 hashtag integer. Height equal 5.9 hashtag float. Greeting equals hello world. Hashtag string, is_student equals true hashtag boolean. With variables, you can perform various operations. For example, arithmetic operations, you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. A equals 10, B equals 2. Sum equals A plus B hashtag addition. Difference equals A, B hashtag subtraction. Product equals A asterisk B hashtag multiplication. Quotient equals A/B hashtag division. String concatenation, combine strings using the plus operator. First_name equals John. Last_name equals Doe. Full_name equals first_name plus last_name. Boolean operations work with true and false values. Is_tall equals height greater than 6.0 hashtag false. Is_adult equals age greater than or equal to 18 hashtag true. Today, we covered the basics of Python variables. We learned how to create variables, the different types of variables, and how to perform basic operations. The key to mastering Python is practice, so try experimenting with variables on your own. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into more advanced topics like loops and functions. Happy coding!